Maybe they were slowing down a little bit. You know, that there was a crash, but they weren't going fast enough that anybody was killed. That's good.
Amazing.
All right, we had a question just a minute ago.
Right, C.
You think it's C?
I think it's C.
Okay, 70 to 80 mile per hour winds whipped through northern Utah, downing trees and power lines. And guess what? It's C. Yes. Happened in 2000. Way to go, Keith. All right. Speaking of storms, we've had some beautiful weather across southern Utah, and it's time for the St. George Area Parade of Homes through the 21st. And they had a great day today. In fact, it was the warmest day of the year in St. George today and the warmest day of the year in Utah. I tell you what, if you want to enjoy some great weather, the south is the place to go. And if you happen to be up skiing today, this is what it looked like at Snow Basin. Thanks to KSL Radio for sharing that with us. Thad Bookman was up at Alta. This is what it looked like there. Let's do the ski report. A lot of folks are here skiing from out of town. Maybe you have the day off tomorrow. In the last 48 hours, 10 inches of new snow at Alta, 91 inches on the ground, 6 inches new at Brighton. Deer Valley, 6 inches of new snow. And the totals, although they're below normal, still the skiing is pretty good with 10 inches of new snow at Snowbird and Wolf Creek picking up 1 inch of new snow. Today's high temperatures were right around 50 degrees in Cedar City, and there's that 6-inch total at Deer Valley, 31 the high there. The snow in the mid and higher elevations on the ski slopes really in pretty good shape. But the valley's enjoying this mild weather, 49 in Layton today, 51 in Provo on the BYU campus, and there's that 63 in St. George. But of course, the typical cold stuck in the Uinta Basin. Vernal, a low of 5 and a high right there in the low 30s. 15 right now in Vernal, 22 in Price. Clouds moving in and even some showers showing up on Doppler radar across northern Nevada and parts of southern Oregon and northern portions of Idaho, western Montana. This is a weak weather disturbance. It's the one that brought the rain yesterday to Vancouver. You can see the skies cleared up nicely across that area today, but watch what this storm does. There's the little disturbance. It's not a very big one. In fact, it's going up over the top of this ridge of high pressure, so it's kind of battling the ridge of high pressure. But the computer charts take that low and bring it right down, right over eastern Idaho, northeastern Utah, and the flow is from the north. This is a favorable flow for some precipitation along the Wasatch Front and also around Cache Valley, the Uintas, and the Wasatch Mountains. 4 to 6 inches of snow will fall in the mountains above 8,000 feet tomorrow, and the snow line will be right about bench levels. Folks, this is going to start right around sunrise. So if you have to travel tomorrow, if you have to go into work, a lot of folks have the day off, we are going to see those showers in the morning. Now by Tuesday, the ridge still very strong. There's another storm. This will bring some snow to the elevations above about 3,000 feet in Vancouver and probably as much as 4 to 10 inches of snow there. Anyway, here's where the chance for showers will be across the Book Cliffs and especially the Uintas. Temperatures about the same tomorrow as they were today. We don't get a lot of cooling from this weather system. 62 in St. George, sunshine there, 45 in Manti, and how about 60s for the next 7 days in beautiful St. George. Periods of precipitation, especially I-80 Northward, and this will start sunrise and continue through about 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and then expect improving weather tomorrow night, and Tuesday looks like a pretty good day. High temperatures in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees. The next weather system will dribble by here Wednesday, Thursday, and it looks like a complicated weather system this weekend and next week. The floodgates may open up again from the Pacific into California and southern Utah starting this weekend, early next week.
Okay.
Thanks, Dan.
El Nino.